Stop comparing yourself to others. Escape the toxic trap and reclaim your joy. What if I told you that every time you compare yourself to someone else, you're stealing from your own potential? Welcome to Mindscape, and today we're dismantling the toxic trap of comparison and unlocking the life you're meant to live. The pitfalls of comparison. Let's get real. Comparison is a thief. It steals your joy, your confidence, and your ability to see your own progress. Why? Because when you're glued to someone else's highlight reel, their promotions, vacations, perfect relationships, you're ignoring the messy, unfiltered behind the scenes. Social media isn't reality. It's a curated illusion designed to make you feel less than. Every time you say, "Why isn't my life like theirs?" you're dismissing your unique journey, and that self-doubt, it's costing you your self-worth. Shift your focus. Here's the game changer. Your growth isn't about them, it's about you. Celebrate the small wins. Did you journal today? Win. Did you choose self-care over doom scrolling? Massive win. Smile. Progress isn't linear. That person you're comparing to, they're not even on your path. Your journey is yours alone. Embrace the detours. Try this. Every night, write one thing you did better than yesterday. No win is too small. Over time, you'll see your own mountain of progress. The power of self-compassion. Imagine if your best friend called themselves a failure for not hitting a goal. You'd say, "Are you crazy? Look how far you've come. So why don't you get that same grace?" I pause. Self-compassion isn't fluffy, it's fuel. Embrace imperfection. Own your strengths. And for the love of growth, stop expecting perfection from a work in progress. Self-compassion isn't weakness. It's the secret to resilience, confidence, and finally, stopping the comparison cycle. Unlock your potential. When you quit comparing, magic happens. You start setting goals that light you up. You invest in skills that matter to you. And suddenly, you're not chasing someone else's life. You're building your own. Lean in. That's how you unlock potential. That's how you thrive. Grab a notebook. Write down one goal that's 100% for you, not your parents, boss, or Instagram followers. Then take the tiniest step toward it today. If this hit home, I need you to do two things. First, hit subscribe and smash that bell. Why? Because in next podcast, we're diving into something very interesting, and you won't want to miss it. Remember, the only person you're meant to be is the person you decide to become. Stop comparing. Start growing. See you next time on Mindscape.